There will be a train show at the St. Andrew's Parish Center on Saturday, February 11th, 2023. All of the footage I'm showing you now is from last year's show, but I have a feeling that this year's show may be even better. My main interest is in O-gauge trains, Lionel, Williams, MTH, and others, so this show is pretty good for me, as last year's show had a lot of trains in my preferred scale. But I do remember a very impressive N-scale layout that has a strong association with Hobbytown on Montgomery Road here in Cincinnati, and they'll be there again this year. When I get to the show this Saturday, I'll be sure to get more footage of what's available in other scales, including other layouts. I'm trying to spend less money and, more importantly, bring home less stuff. And I was actually pretty responsible last year. I think I bought only 2 things, and they were both pretty cheap. This Lionel F3 shell is pretty rough, but the seller let me have it for only $10. I haven't done anything with it yet, but I'm almost certain that it will be repainted. The other train I bought was this weird little switcher. It looks so out of place next to the Santa Fe diesel, not only because of the color and the strange Crayola markings, but I'm pretty sure it's much larger than 1/48 scale. On the plus side, it runs really well. At least it did, until I dropped it when I got home. It was so smooth too. But 2 of the frame's mounting tabs broke, and the gearing around the motor became misaligned. I switched everything over to another frame and a new motor mount, but it never worked quite right again. I went ahead and repainted the shell and put it all back together, and now it sits on a shelf. A sad reminder to my clumsiness. But I don't want to end this video on a sour note because I'm really excited about going to this year's train show. I'm hoping to find some bargains and maybe even a few things to work on and repaint in future episodes. I'll just be a little more careful when I get home. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.